how to download Pinduoduo app on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. In this simple tutorial, I will teach you guys how you can download Pinduoduo app on your Android device. So let's begin. To download the app, it is a quite easy and simple process. Before starting, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Firstly, go to the Play Store on your device. Once you are on this page, now click on the search bar and type Pinduoduo and search for it. Once you search for it, here you will see the Pinduoduo application written in the Chinese or Mandarin word. Click on it and tap on install button. Now wait for a while until the application is installed. Once the installing process is completed, you are good to go. In this simple way, you can download Pinduoduo app on your Android device. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.